Hello, I'm Bill. I'm the owner-operator of Anchored Market Ventures, and today on our tips and tricks, we're going to be talking about branding, websites, and other things to get your business out there and productive. So one of the things a lot of businesses don't have or don't utilize enough is social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, Pinterest. There's a whole bunch of different social medias that are free tools for you to get your business out there. It's highly encouraged that you use those. Another thing that's relatively inexpensive is a website. A lot of people are intimidated, but there's so many great platforms out there that take all the guesswork out of creating a website. So for as little as a $20 bill, you can get set up with a website to show your products and let people know what you got going on. You should be branding, you should be posting. In today's day, everything costs. These are low cost or no cost ways to get your brand out there. You can let people know that you're doing deliveries. You can let them know the markets that you're going to be at, the festivals. So it's really important as a small business to get out there and make those posts. Don't wait until the day of the event or the day before the event to do the post. You know, set up a time so you're making three posts during the week, a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, or whatever works best for you. But you guys have really got to start getting on that social media, letting people know what your business is going to be doing, where you're going to be at. And the best way to do that is with social media, with a website, with Etsy, Pinterest, any of those platforms. So on today's tips and tricks, you definitely got to get out there and get comfortable on the social media platforms and make your businesses grow, y'all. And we wish you the best.